Good afternoon to all dear students. I am solving the question number 3 from exercise 2.2 chapter polynomials. So I am giving a solution. Third part. Px equal to x square minus 1 at x equal to 1. So P1 1 square minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 is the 0 of px equal to x square minus 1. Similarly, x equal to minus 1. P minus 1 equal to minus 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is the 0 of px. Therefore, x equal to plus minus 1 is the zeros of px. I am explaining question number 3, fourth part. I am giving solution question number 4. Px equal to x plus 1 x minus 2 at x equal to minus 1. P minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 equal to cancel out 0 into minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is the 0 of px. Similarly, at x equal to 2, p2 equal to 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2 equal to 3 into 0 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 2 is the 0 of px. So now these are the solutions of third and fourth.
2
At
3.
now I am attending fifth part of question number 3, exercise 2.2 chapter polynomials. Fifth part, px equal to x square at x equal to 0, then p0 0 square equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is the 0 of px. Now attending sixth part, px equal to lx plus m at x equal to minus m upon l. Therefore, p minus m upon l into minus m upon l plus m. L cancel out. Minus m plus m cancel out equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus m upon L is the zero of px. So now I am proceeding 7th or 8th part. Now I am giving a solution of 7th part of question number 3rd exercise 2.2 chapter polynomials. Px 3x square minus 1 at minus 1 upon root 3. P minus 1 upon root 3, 3 minus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1, 3 into 1 upon 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 upon root 3 is the 0 of px. Similarly, px 3x square minus 1 at x equal to 2 upon root 3. So p 2 upon root 3 equal to 3 2 upon root 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 3 इंटू 4 अपॉन 3 माइनस 1 3 3 कैंसिल आउट 4 माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 3. Therefore x equal to 2 upon root 3 is not the 0 of px. Now I am attending 8th part of question number 3. Px 2x plus 1 x equal to 1 by 2. At x equal to 1 by 2, px 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2 is not 0 of px. Now, I am attending question number 4 of exercise 2.2 chapter polynomials. Now, I am giving a solution. First part. Find the 0 of the polynomial of the following cases. It means px equal to x plus 5. For finding zeros, px equal to 0 implies that x plus 5 equal to 0 implies that x equal to minus 5. Therefore, x equal to minus 5 is the 0 of px. Now I am attending second part. Px x minus 5 for zeros px equal to 0. It means x minus 5 equal to 0 implies that x equal to 5. Therefore, x equal to 5 is the 0 of Px. Now I am attending third part. Px equal to 2x plus 5. For finding zeros, Px equal to 0 implies that 2x plus 5 equal to 0 implies that 2x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 upon 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 5 upon 2 is the 0 of Px. Now I am attending fourth part. Fourth part of question number 4, Px equal to 3x minus 2. For finding zeros, Px equal to 0. Therefore, 3x minus 2 equal to 0 implies that 3x equal to 2 implies that x equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, x equal to 3. Suraj, बैठ जा. Therefore, x equal to 2 upon 3 is the 0 of Px. Now I am attending fifth part. Px equal to 3x. For finding zeros, Px equal to 0. Therefore, 3x equal to 0 implies that x equal to 0 upon 3 implies that x equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is the 0 of Px. Now I am attending sixth part. Sixth part. Px equal to Ax, where A is not equal to 0. For finding zeros, Px equal to 0 implies that Ax equal to 0 implies that x equal to 0 upon A implies that x equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is the 0 of Px. Seventh part. Px equal to Cx plus D, where C is not equal to 0. C comma D are real numbers. For finding zeros, Px equal to 0 implies that Cx plus D equal to 0 implies that Cx equal to minus D implies that x equal to minus d upon c. Therefore, x equal to minus d upon c is the zero of px. So in this way we can find the zeros of the given polynomials. So I will take next lecture in the next class.